A high-performance athlete that does not show off its talent. That is the essence of new Porsche 911 GT3 with Touring Package, announced today. The GT3 with Touring Package shares the familiar hallmarks for which the 911 GT3 has become renowned, including an authentic track-bred chassis, an emotive 503 horsepower flat-six normally aspirated engine. However, the model differs most conspicuously from the standard GT3 by the omission of the distinctive fixed rear wing. The necessary downforce at high speeds is nevertheless guaranteed by an automatically extending rear spoiler. With its clean silhouette, the Touring Package offers a pure expression of the 911 GT3 concept and supports the derivative's greater emphasis on road driving, in contrast to the car's traditionally more purposeful intent and extrovert styling. This focus continues inside, with a 6-speed GT Sports gearbox offered as standard and a more luxurious interior trim. The dynamic potency is undiminished, however, and a curb weight of 3126 pounds helps contribute to benchmark performance. The Touring Package was a popular choice on the prior model for GT3 customers, preferring a more understated stance combined with distilled Porsche driving pleasure. Behind the wheel offers the ambience of a classic sports car. The steering wheel rim, gear shift lever, cover of the center console, armrests in the door panels, and the door handles are trimmed in black leather. The partial leather interior features black stitching. The seat center panels are covered with black fabric, and the roof lining is also black. The head restraints bear embossed Porsche crests. The door entry guards and trim elements on the fascia and center console feature brushed black aluminium. For the first time, the optional 7-speed PDK automatic dual-clutch transmission can now be specified at no extra cost. A broad selection of optional equipment for the 911 GT3 is also available in combination with the Touring Package. This includes all exterior and wheel colors, LED headlights with Porsche Dynamic Light System and Porsche Dynamic Light System Plus, PCCB ceramic brakes, the front axle lift system, the chrono package and audio upgrades. Silver-colored, high-gloss anodized aluminium trim strips around the side windows are another distinguishing feature that underline the newcomer's discreet shift in emphasis. The nose apron is painted completely in the exterior color. A rear lid grille with the logo GT3 Touring in unique design covers the high-revving 4-liter engine. Like the trim strips of the side windows, the tailpipes of the sports exhaust system are also silver-colored. These elements are finished in satin gloss black in the optional exterior Touring Package, in combination with dark-tinted front light modules. The name Touring Package can trace its history to an equipment variant of the 911 Carrera RS from model year 1973. This set the trend for a focus on the pure 911 design and a traditional interior finish. Porsche revived the idea in 2017, offering a Touring Package for the previous Type 991 generation of the 911 GT3. Top speed is 199 miles per hour where permitted, and acceleration from 0 to 62 miles per hour takes 3.9 seconds and in 3.4 seconds with PDK. Combined fuel economy is 21.9 miles per gallon. The weight of the new 911 GT3 is on a par with its predecessor. It weighs 3,126 pounds with the manual transmission and 3,164 pounds with the Porsche dual-clutch transmission. The bonnet made of carbon fiber reinforced plastic, lightweight glass windows and forged alloy wheels exemplify the focus on weight saving, as does the lightweight sports exhaust system. Racing genes are expressed in practically all the details of the new 911 GT3. The cockpit is equipped with a track screen for the first time. At the push of a button, the digital displays on the left and right of the central rev counter are reduced to the essential information of tire and oil pressure, oil and coolant temperature and fuel tank fill level. The 911 GT3 has an easily accessible mode switch on the steering wheel. This facilitates fast switching between normal settings and the customizable sport and track modes. You can order the new 2022 Porsche 911 GT3 Touring now for a starting MSRP of $161,100, excluding $1,350 for delivery, processing, and handling, but you won't get delivery in the States before early next year. Also note that you won't be able to order the manual gearbox model in California due to sound restrictions.